What up, yo? Luganda XLz week 19 of the XLz. Today I'm dropping a verse of my upcoming project, my upcoming song with Congo Sings, the profoundly talented Congo Sings, and I'm doing it a cappella on these niggas right here. Yeah. This is my commandment. That love one another as I have loved you. Forget what it was, dude. Now that's what it said is taken from John. The best pray and break bread. F with the rest say. Kubanga biakuwako. It's addition and division if you want to see a guap grow. That's it. If you really want to cop more. Love is not eat without being shared, and sharing is grace. You ain't gotta be prepared until Luganda Kuria or Luganda Jarateruda. That's who I am, and that's a legacy I have taken too far. The more you listen is the more you hunger for more. It's manna for souls. They always say Luganda your load. And this takes me back to a time before I wrote this, when I was concealing my gift, clueless and hopeless. Nanonyanga mazima. Ngana yoche bomusana till it whispered through the wind, bulichofu na gabana. Yeah, bulichofu na gabana. Peace out. Yeah, week 19. That's how we do.